Guys, I'm just gonna give y'all a little riding video around my property. Um, most videos will be on the road or over at my friend's house, which is across the street from me. But today, for now, I'm just gonna be riding around my yard. And then next video will be out of my yard, and I'm gonna post every other day. So that's my posting schedule. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's just a little video for y'all. Here we go. Oh yeah, and if y'all remember my last video, I said I was going to be playing basketball every now and then. That is where the basketball go. I'll post videos about that. I'll be posting some of my truck, some of my dirt bike, and basketball. And if y'all got anything else y'all want me to do, just let me know. And I'm going to come around so y'all into the camera, so y'all can see my gloves and my helmet. And then I have like a little speaker thing that I can listen to music to. So these are my gloves, and this is my helmet, and this is the thing. It has speakers inside my helmet. I can listen to music, I can call. It answers calls automatically. So yeah, that's that, and I'll show you my truck, and then we'll get back to riding. And sorry if it's kind of shaky. I don't really got a GoPro yet. I'm gonna have to buy one. So sorry if it's bad, shaky or whatever. But we're gonna go around there to my truck now. I won't be driving that today on camera. Alright, guys. Well, that's that, and I'll give y'all a video of information about me. Like where I'm from, where I live, and if y'all want to know what kind of bike it is, it's an off-brand, but it's based off of a Honda. It's a 125cc. Great bike. Top speed is 55. It's a racing bike. So yeah, y'all just have to let me know. Like I said, what do y'all want to see? And please like and put the notifications on and subscribe. And let's get up there. My goal is 1,000. Thanks.